Wait, I'll just wait for the music. There we go. Good afternoon, everybody. Honorable Ambassador, the organizers, and the officers of Ateneo de Manila University. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. The very fact that this is already the 19th year of the Spring Festival only goes to show the significance of Chinese culture with Filipino life. I think there is no denying how intertwined our histories have brought us together. It is impossible to understand the history of the Filipino without understanding the contribution and the cultural influences of China. Whether it is as simple as cuisine, or as simple as certain traditions which the Filipinos have imbibed and made a part of our acculturation, China is a major contributor to who we are as Filipinos. As a matter of fact, you look around and you find that there are very, very few Filipinos who do not have a touch of Chinese blood in them. Why? Because through centuries, China has become so intertwined with who we are as Filipinos. And my second point, earlier somebody mentioned about film being a soft force in understanding culture. I dare to disagree. Film is a very potent force in completely immersing yourself in cultural understanding. Film is a powerful tool for us to understand our Chinese brothers and for our Chinese brothers to understand us. Considering the length of history that we have shared together, it is so sad that very little has been dedicated in filmmaking to bring us together to lend a greater understanding. I think it is more than just Feng Shui or the Mano Po series, which really show the wealth and depth of Pinoy culture. I think this is an area that we should explore so that we may even gain a greater understanding not only of the Chinese, but who we are as Filipinos. And lastly, maraming salamat, Ateneo, for doing something like this. It is not enough that you study Chinese culture. What is important is you immerse yourself in understanding the tenets of Chinese culture, and what better way than through film. You know, I find myself in a really, really amusing situation right now, which goes to prove that any study of any culture regarding the Filipino knows no brand of university. I too am an academician. I am a professor at De La Salle University. And I take great pride in standing here on stage with Ateneans sharing our love for China. Maraming salamat po.